To begin, open the phone app, the green icon with a phone symbol. Tap the Recents tab at the bottom if it isn't already selected. You will see a complete list of incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Now scroll to find the contact you are looking for, then tap the small icon next to their name for more options. Once you open the contact's details, look for Call History. If you don't see it, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Then tap on it to proceed. You will now see the complete call history for that contact, including missed, incoming, and outgoing calls, along with the date and time for each entry. This feature lets you quickly view a specific contact's call history, saving time and making it easier to track your communication details. If your layout is set to Unified, you won't see the icon. Instead, tap on the contact's profile picture to access their details, where you will find the call history. So that's how you can view call history for a specific contact on iPhone.